Hey everyone, hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving long weekend. It's JJ here from Micro E Futures and doing my weekend update, sort of month end update video, a little late. Just got back into town. So let's go take a look at what we're going to look for in the coming week. And also, how we're going to look at trading this evening when Globex opens for those of you who are my pajama traders who trade all night. Well, here's what we do, and this is what I think I learned from the market profile guys, is that we use the last RTH, full RTH day as your references. So that's your previous day high, low, and close. Okay. Now, if you look at profile, it's really cool because check this out. Look at the cost basis, right? That's the cost basis of the inventory, 70% of it anyway, right? Had that move up and then a liquidation move, and this was kind of a collection, right? This is absorption of that inventory. And then what we do is we used the holiday sessions to move that inventory off at higher prices. That's good business, right? It's the opposite of a Black Friday sale. Also coinciding with what month end, there's nobody really around to sell, so the market gets marked up quite nicely for the last trading day of the month, which was Friday. Um, and also it was a half day too, right? There's, less, less competition and easier to move your inventory at higher prices. It's great if you are a vendor, a seller, a wholesaler, someone who traffics in large amounts of inventory. This is where your cost basis is. Nice profits in all of those little electronic sessions. So what are we going to look for? Okay. This level, 60.38 and a half, is a fairly decent level for us. We looked above and failed. And then Friday we looked above, but remember that is a half day session, not a full day. So is that a true look above and fail? What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to see if we can stay over 60.38 and a half. Now, if we stay over those record highs, that record high, if we can stay over that level going into this week, say we don't come back and get under 60.38 and a half. I sort of have the tendency to think that we might backfill this move a little bit. That would be healthy if we did another look below and come and trade sideways here for a bit. It would let some of the shorts cover and things like that. But if we fail to get back under 60.38 and a half, this is our big monster level to the upside. That's 60.65 and three quarters. And that is the top of a very big zone where the bottom is 58.25, the middle is 59.46, and the top is 60.65. If we get and accept over 60.65 and three quarters in the first week of December and we stay above that level, we will start doing some pretty crazy things. I haven't mapped out these levels, but the next zone goes from 60.65 all the way up to 63.06. So I'll have those levels done later on this week. But for you large traders who are short, that's your sort of line in the sand. If we get above, let's say 60.66, be careful on the short side unless you've got, 8, 9, 10 figures of capital. Um, 60.38 and a half, we're looking for the market to offer underneath that. Let's go take a look and see what we're looking at tonight. Now, remember, there is that last full trading day. The last full trading day is Wednesday. So there's that little Thanksgiving session, and then you have a Globex session from Thursday night and into Friday. So you can see the inventories all underneath 60.38, right? Once again, we closed way up here at 60.51. So when the market opens, right, look to see if we can backfill, which goes back and fill in the shorts that are trapped here. We're going to use these stops. I'll give you those levels in a second here. So around 60.49 or 60.48 and a half, 60.46 and a half, 60.44. Okay. And then down here at 60.40, these are all the lower stops. So if you're short, if the market opens and you're short, it's got to take these levels out and it has to offer underneath these levels to show that sellers are competing and willing to lower price. If they're not, there's no reason to be short. The other thing is we have single prints here. Single prints are where the shorts got trapped when we took that A high. Okay, so there will be bids between in these levels here. If you take a look, 60, 33 and a quarter to this up here, just around 60, 40-ish. Okay, so these are the lower levels that the market has to take out if you're a short seller. The upper stops are up here at 60, 54 and a half. And then the high of Friday is 60, 60 and change. What is that? 60, 60, 60 and a quarter. So those are the levels that you're going to be looking at. You're going to look for if the market opens up here. Now the cost basis of Friday is up here. So if the people who bought this get trapped and start to sell, they'll start to take out these lower stops. Okay. And hopefully we get a little back and forth is good. It's nice to have two-sided trade in a market. Then the shorts don't get too, out of whack. It'd be nice to backfill that move. Let's see what happened because that move happened in electronic trading. The markets weren't open. So we have to justify that move. Let's see what happens tonight. Once again, trade safe. Going into the end of the year, folks, remember, be smart, okay? Use the old peanut, be smart. If you have questions, DM me, reach out to us. We are having some good specials at microefutures.com. If you want to learn how to trade without all the double talk, are you tired of taking losses? Are you tired of over trading? Are you tired of letting bad business habits consume your account? Come see me at Micro E Futures. We're also starting a one-on-one coaching program, and my coaching program is like nothing else in the business because once I take you on, um, I coach you for life, and you get the support you need anytime you want. I'm there for you guys. And that way we make sure that a trader gets the support they need instead of just selling them a course. I'm personally available to every single one who's ever taken my course, and that's a lifetime commitment. And I'm in pretty good health, so come see us. MicroEfutures.com. I'm JJ. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we'll see you bright and early on Monday morning. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.